today we stay in a mansion.
Posh, ain't it? Oh. We see a dragon.
We see some sheep.
See that, Sean?
But most importantly, we find out,
was it worth it?
The Llanerchydol Hall. The Llanerchydol Hall.
Private entrance.
Because we're bougie like that. Oh la la, so fancy.
So to get to our little apartment, we just have to go through this little gate here. Thank you, Samuel. And then this brings you to the back of the hall. It's a nice view though, isn't it?
So we're here at Llanerchydol Hall and we're here for 2 nights. So we just thought that we'd show you around and show you what it has to offer. So as you walk in, this is the living area, or the interview area, as I would like to call it, because it makes you feel like you're on The Apprentice or something. They've got a log burner and they also do have wood that they chop themselves, I think. They've also got these massive beams all throughout the apartment, which I love. I also think that they are original to the apartment as well. So next you want to follow me through to the dining area / kitchen. So in here they've got a fridge, sink, dishwasher, microwave, oven, hob, and basically everything that you need. I love how it's a modern kitchen with like an old-timey sort of diner feel to it. And there's marble countertops as well, which are stunning. There's also spices and what's that? There's also Starlink as well. So they've got Starlink, which is unheard of, I think, for people to have in the UK, but so far it's going quite well for us since we've been using it. And then do you want to follow me into the bedroom? Again, massive beams, sensational. A chaise lounge, if that's how you pronounce it. Just, I love how all of it is modern, but also vintage as well. We've got this lovely gold, massive mirror for you, so you can take your selfies in here. They've got a massive wooden, is it king size? King size, I think, bed, and it is sensational. Bed test, obviously. It's so comfy. Me and Sam were just in here all snuggled up last night, and the duvet is so thick as well. We've got a TV as well and some drawers here. We've got another set of drawers on each side of the bedsides, and then lights as well. Then over here we do have central heating as well, and we also have underfloor heating in the bathroom. And then, shit, I'm breaking it. If you want to take a little look outside, that's the view that we have outside. Sensational view of the gardens. And through here, we've got plenty of storage for if you need to put your coats and clothes here. There is a secret door over there. We don't know what it leads to. Sam stopped me going through it because I think it leads to the rest of the house, but I'm not sure. And then we've got a spooky picture up there that looks like someone's peeping on you. But it's all character. So then we go through to the bathroom. Just want to take a look-see in here. Just close the door. So we've got underfloor heating, as I said before, a lovely walk-in shower. And then we've got a lovely little toilet here, and then marble countertops for the floating sink as well, which is stunning. And then another massive lovely mirror to take your selfies. And then you get a complimentary hand wash, body soap, And I think that is it. Oh no, there's shampoo and conditioner on there as well, and towels and everything are already provided. Sensational. So for 2 nights here for me and Sam, it was £300 between us, so £150 each for 2 nights, which I think is a bargain for a mansion the size this is. Ready. Driving away downtown. Not that, that's not the lyrics. So in a minute we'll come across the dragon that I thought was a dinosaur. In a minute, here it is. So last night in the dark I thought this was a dinosaur, but it's actually a Welsh dragon.
He is as well, what the fuck?
It's a Welsh dragon.
But I think it's quite understandable because it was dark and I'm blind. But Sam ripped me for it.
Who's to say a dragon isn't a dinosaur?
Exactly.
Cattle grid! 3, 2, 1.
But the ground is fucking massive. Like, there's little sheps down there, little sheepies, if he wants to focus. But yeah, there's some little sheepies, little sheps. But there's a lake down there as well. Like, it's fucking massive. They've got a Japanese garden somewhere as well. We don't know where. But I reckon in the in the summer, this would be stunning. I mean, it's stunning now. Oh my god, the sheeps! Road, don't go in the road, Mr. Sheepy. Magpie. Sheps. Hi, Mr. Sheep.
Oh no way, what room are you staying in?
Dickhead.
Okay. See you later, Sean.
Dickhead.
How do you reckon they get the bins emptied? Because they're
I
there.
don't know. Maybe they just don't get them emptied.
That's a huge tree.
That's a big, big tree.
Whomping willow.
You don't know Harry Potter.
It's a big tree that goes, wah!
You don't even like Harry Potter.
Yeah, you
Fake fan.
Fake fan.
Fake fan, fake fan.
There we go.
Bye, Mr. Sheep.
Bye, Sean. Bye, Timmy.
Bye, Sean. Is there any other sheeps? More sheeps here. More sheeps there. Sheeps everywhere, basically. Sheep.
They're a bit shy.
Hello.
It's a bit sheepish.
So we're leaving now after our 2-night weekend away in Llanerchydol Hall.
So good at pronouncing
So good. I'm basically Welsh. But yeah, if you want to come, it's in a Welsh pool and it's on Airbnb. So yeah,
Bargain.
I think it's definitely worth it. Me snacks.
It is very eerie though.
It's like the Hobbit. Mount Doom.
A foggy morning in a Welsh pool. By Llanerchydol Hall. Still don't know if I'm saying it right.
Bye,
hopefully.
mansion.
Bye, mansion.
We'll have to see that dragon / dinosaur.
Yeah. Here's the dragon again. Don't know if you can see it. There's the dragon. Bye, Welsh dragon. Bye, sheeps. Wah. Hello. On this episode of Lid and Sam Go to Find Ghosts.
What'd you do if you saw a ghost in the wind now?
Oh, don't say that.
Where do I park?
More facts about Llanerchydol Hall.
It's more difficult to pronounce with a muffin in your mouth.
There isn't.
Fuck. Llanerchydol.
Llanerchydol. I'm saying it wrong.
Llanerchydol.
Llanerchydol Hall. Llanerchydol Hall.
Llaclan.